All right, let's go back over what we talked about last time. Okay, let's go back over what we talked about last time. And let's do the quote-unquote hard way. Okay? So what do we need to find first? A, B, and C, right? Here's A, here's B, here's C. So what is AC in this problem? AC is negative 72. And what's B in this problem? Negative 1. Okay? So do I need to list all the factors for you, or can you kind of figure that out as we go? Figuring it out as we go? Okay? So tell me what the factors of AC are that are going to multiply together to give me negative 72 and add to give me a negative 1. 8 and negative 9? Yes? Okay. So x squared, I'm going to split my middle term into two parts. These two parts right here. X squared plus 8x minus 9x minus 72. And then I factor by grouping, right? Okay. So looking at the first two terms, I get, they have an x in common. What's left? X plus 8. Looking at the last two terms, what do they have in common? Negative 9. What's left? X plus 8. Good. Do these two terms have something in common? An x plus 8. If I factor out an x plus 8, what's left? X minus 9. Now, thinking about the shorter way, we could have done the shorter way because A is 1. So knowing that it was 8 and negative 9, I kind of knew that before we started, right? You guys knew that before we started. Okay? Excuse me. So what if A is not 1? What if A is not 1? Guess what? You don't do it any different. If A is not 1, we still find AC. We still have to identify A, B, and C. In this problem, what is AC? 54. And what's B? Negative 21. So basically, the only way that this is actually, like, quote-unquote harder is that we have bigger numbers to deal with, right? Okay, so 1 and 54, 2 and 27, 3 works. What is it? 3, 18? Does 4 work? No. 5 doesn't work. 6? Is that 6 and 9? 6 and 9. 7 doesn't work. 8 doesn't work. So that's it, right? So which, I've got to multiply to be 54 and add to be negative 21. We can do negative 18 as long as we do negative 3, right? Okay? So that's my answer. So I'm going to rewrite it, but I'm going to split my middle term into two parts. 2x squared minus 3x minus 18x plus 27. And we know exactly what to do from here because we've been doing grouping for a couple days now, right? What's common in the first two? Just x, right? Because the second term isn't divisible by 2. So if I take out an x, what's left?
2x minus 3.
2x minus 3. Good. What do you think I need to take out of these two? What's common? Negative 9, right? Negative 9. Why not positive 9? I need not minus 2x, I need just 2x, right? So negative 9. And what do I have left when I divide this term by negative 9? 2x. And this term by negative 9? Negative 3. Do I have a common factor here? Yes. What is it? 2x minus 3. When I factor out a 2x minus 3 from each term, what do I have left? X minus 9. Done. Now, should I ever get any of these wrong? No, because what could I do with this to check it? Close. Multiply it out, right? Distributive property, FOIL for some of you, right? Let's check, just for giggles. What's 2x times x? 2x squared. What's 2x times negative 9? Negative 18x. What's negative 3 times x? Negative 3x. And what's negative 3 times negative 9? Oops, 27. 2x squared minus 21. Oh my goodness. We are so smart. Hard or easy? Okay, so I want you to know that this is a factoring method that I only learned how to do about maybe 7 or 8 years ago. You know how we did this before? We guessed. We had to say, what are the factors of 2, 2 and 1? What are the factors of 27? 1 and 3 and 9 and 27. And what number goes here and here and what number goes here and here, and try to multiply and figure it out. I think I literally did cry. Yeah, not just made me want to cry. You guys know me by now. I literally cried. It was awful.
We assigned a whole bunch of those questions. Maybe 1 or 2 would be awful, but you could deal with it. But like
multiple questions. It's like multiple crying. Multiple tears. All right? Let's do one more. I already sense that you guys are bored with this, so let's do one more and make sure we got this before I let you go. What do I do first? A, B, C, AC. What is that, 112? What's B? 22?